Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about some new tasks on Octra. If you didn't do anything on Octra before, so you just need to watch my last two videos, like the part 1 and part 2, where I show those steps like how to create wallet, how to send tokens, and how to get the faucet even. So just watch those videos and you will get the idea how to do the initial steps, and then just jump into this video. And first of all, for new tasks we just need to go to this new repo as they released, and just let me show you from the scratch. And when you come to this site, the new repo, I will share the link, each and every link I will share in my Telegram channel, so just don't forget to join the channel. And now, as you can see, you need to install the Rust first time, and if you did means install it before, so you just need to install first. So just copy it, and here is the code option. Okay, just click on it, and here is existing. You can also do with the you can also go with the existing code space, but I am showing you freshly, so that's why I will create a new code space on main. Just creating code space on main. If you already watched those videos, actually part 1 and part 2, you can easily do these tasks. Okay, and if you are new, like if you are thinking to start this project, or like to do these tasks, so obviously you need to set up your wallet first, and then you can do these tasks. And now, as you can see, it is taking some time to set up, and when it will set up fully, and then I will run the command one by one. And now I can run those commands, like let me increase the size, and right click, and here is the option, just hit allow, otherwise you can't paste anything here. Now you can see here is option 1, 2 and 3, proceed with standard installation, customize installation, or cancel. So I am going with the number 1, like I'm choosing 1. So it will take some time because it's installing the Rust. And then the second command, as you can see, some dependencies we need to download here, so just let it be completed. This is a totally new version, as you can see, OCS 01, like a season 1, I think, so that's why. Okay, let me show you something. Like after these two commands, okay, when you will run these two commands, then you just need to create two files, like one is wallet.json, and one you need to just copy from ei folder, like from this folder. As you can see, the file already existing uh, here, as you can see. So just click on it, and just copy it and paste it into the blank space. Okay, just let me copy, and here just paste it. Okay, in a blank space, nothing to do more, just simple. And now we need to create another okay, first let me run this second command also. So now another file we need to create, like wallet.json. So just come here and click on the blank space. Now right click, create new file, or from here you can also create a new file, and just name it wallet.json. And in this file, just hit enter, it will be created. And as you can see, here is nothing. Okay, in this file. So here we need to put this data, like our wallet data, the private key, the wallet address, each and everything. So in this file we need to paste our data, and that's it, that's simple. Okay, let me, okay, now done. So that's it. Now what we need to do, we need to paste these two files, like the x interface.json and wallet.json. Just drag these files to this folder, the OCS. Okay, the OCS on test folder, just drop there, move. Now another file is wallet.json, just drag it to this folder. That's it, that's simple. We just need to move this folder to the move this file to this folder, the OCS01 test folder. Okay, now you can see the two files are available here. So we need some more time to complete this. It's compiling, as you can see. So now we need to run this command when it will be completed. So the four commands you need to run, and the two file you need to create. One you need to create, another is just copy and paste. But these two files must into this folder. Okay, like under the OCS1 test folder. Now as you can see, the previous commands are done, and now just copy the third command, paste it here, and now the last one, the target release OCS test, and just paste it. So these tasks mainly we have to do. As you can see, we need to do these tasks, like first of all the greeting, and then contract info, then claim one token. So how can you do that? Just choose here. Here is the choice option. So I am choosing the option 1, and here is the greetings, the wallet address of mine, and you can see welcome to OCS01. And then the second option is okay, let me hit enter to continue, and I am choosing the second option, contract info. So just hitting enter, and you can see, so there are many functions you can perform and claim one token. So for claiming one token, just choose 3, and you can see here is the option, you wait for confirmation. So just yes, hit yes, and you will get some faucet. I think in every 24 hours you can get only one, means one time, that's it. It is taking to time, waiting. It look like something loading. Dot dot dot. So that's it mainly for this video, guys, because you just need to perform these tasks. Here are 14 tasks available and 0 if you enter 0, so you can exit anytime. So that's it. You just need to set up first, and you need to install your Rust, and then just get some dependencies, as you can see from these, and just you need to copy and paste the simple tasks, nothing do more. And you just need to, the main thing is you just need to create these two one file, and one is you can copy paste from this folder. From this folder, just copy it, right click copy, and each and every file you need to paste it here first, like in the blank space, easily, for easily to understand. Just paste it here, and then when you will paste it here, and when you will put your data in the validation folder, so then one by one just move those files to this folder, the OCS1 test. That's simple. And then when you will run these four commands, and after that you will see this option, like many tasks you need to perform here, 14 type of tasks available here. So just do those tasks, and the previous tasks also you can do, like as they said. Yeah, let me show you. Install the new client. So this is the link, as previous in previous videos I already show you how to do that. So if you want to do some new tasks, or if they updated this all, so I will share each and every link in the Telegram channel. So just don't forget to join the channel. So I will share each and every minor updates also, yeah, on the Telegram. So that's it, guys. That's for the video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.